Welcome to Practice Easy English. Body sounds vocabulary. Burp. Excuse yourself if you need to burp. Please don't burp in front of people. Fart. Please avoid farting in public places. Try not to fart loudly in public places. Yawn. Try not to yawn during the presentation. Don't yawn during the meeting. Scream. If you're scared, scream for help. Don't scream, you will wake up everyone. Sigh. Take a deep breath and sigh. Don't sigh like that, everything will be fine. Cough. Please cover your mouth when you cough. Don't cough without covering your mouth. Sneeze. Remember to cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Don't sneeze without using a tissue. Giggle. Go ahead and giggle at the funny story. Don't giggle during the serious conversation. Laugh. Laugh at the jokes. But don't laugh at someone's mistake. Hiccup. Hold your breath to stop the hiccups. Try not to hiccup while you're talking. Gasp. You'll gasp when you see the surprise. Don't gasp loudly, you'll wake up everyone. Groan. To make a deep, long sound showing great pain or unhappiness. Don't groan about the task, let's finish it together. Don't groan and complain, let's find a solution. Murmur. Say something in a low voice. Don't murmur during the important announcement. Whisper. Whisper the secret so nobody else can hear. Don't whisper loudly, it should be a secret. Snore. He snores too loudly while sleeping. Sob. Try not to sob in public, it might draw attention. Cry. It's okay to cry if you're feeling sad. Munch. Munch on the chips while watching the game. Slurp. Don't slurp your drink at the table. Clear throat. If your throat is scratchy, clear your throat before speaking. Grind the teeth. Don't grind your teeth, it's not good for them. Crack the knuckles. It's better not to crack your knuckles, it can bother people. Gargle. Gargle with warm salt water if your throat hurts. Sniff. Smell the flower with a quick sniff. Snap the fingers. Don't snap your fingers too loud. Clap. Clap your hands to encourage the players. Clap your hands to encourage the players.